Hindi maitatangging kapwa fierce and fabulous ang Super Serena Queens na wagi sa Miss Gay Manila 2015. Second runner-up si Super Serena 2013 Francine Garcia at grand winner naman si Super Serena 2014 Trixie Maristela. Pero tila makahulugan ang hirit ni Francine sa koronang si Trixie ang nagwagi.
National crown is not enough for me to stop because I want an international one.
Hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon na nagkatapat sa beauty pageant sina Francine at Trixie. Mapa-local o may tuturing na national gay pageant ay ilang beses silang nagkatapat. Ayon kay Francine, parang deja vu lang ang karanasan niya sa Miss Gay Manila 2015.
Way back 2009 or 2010, Trixie din was the universe, Marian was world, and I was international. Parang tatlo din kami. Yun pa din na lang yung pwesto. Nakakatawa.
Ngayon nga'y nag-cruise muli ang landas ng dalawa sa Miss Gay Manila 2015. Si Trixie ang kinoronahan at si Francine ay second runner-up. Desidido sumali si Francine sa Miss International Queen sa Nobyembre sa Pattaya, Thailand. Si Trixie, aminadong interesado ring sumali sa parehong beauty pageant.
Gusto ko rin sanang makuha mo na yung blessing ng City Government of Manila. And at the same time, she's very pretty as well. So whoever wins, it's gonna be an honor for the country.
Hanggang doon kaya ay mag-showdown ang dalawa?
Sa akin, wala naman talaga. None at all. Kasi 2013 was my year in Super Serena. I passed the crown to Trixie in 2014. I was so happy. I hugged her. I congratulated her. I even posted a pic of ours nung screening ng Miss Gay Manila, final screening. I even posted a pic of ours together for the grand screening.
We're having just a friendly competition. Just put your best foot forward.
Katatibayan, updated sa showbiz happenings.